Yeah, since our November 30 Walk November challenge has sadly come to end because this is the 30th of November and me and Buddy did not do a walk today, we're doing a new challenge called Advent Hike Challenge, which I'm going to put these little notes that have little different hikes and these hikes, and it's going to be tacked to the wall of my chocolate advent calendar. So I'll first pick up one of these and then I'll have the chocolate. And I have to finish these snacks at the pool one tonight because I have to do one tomorrow since tomorrow's December 1st. So let's finish these quickly. I need 14 more hikes. So all of my little papers are done, which means they have to be stuck on this advent calendar. So that's what I'm about to do. My phone ran out of storage, but we're done. We have all the ones picked out. Now, since these are hikes and I have to plan hikes, I do have to open one the day before. So first, our hike is gonna be, we got Aberdeen Lake Park and the Aberdeen Lake Park loop, which is a 9-mile loop and it's rated easy. Cute little stocking. That bridge was the only reason I put that trail on the advent calendar, and it's closed. Go on. So that concludes our day one of our Advent hiking challenge. I think it was a good first walk. We did 0.9 miles today. Here are my stats. Very good walk.